I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on trading preferences, just click on it. You come to next zip here. You can here to show price alerts on charts. So you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean here show price alerts on charts disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all you have to do. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching.